In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. If you've got a page sitting in your business suite that you no longer manage, or you just want to clean things up, removing it is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing in the Business Suite web address, or by going to your Facebook account, opening the menu and choosing the Business or Professional Tools option, then selecting Business Suite from there. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook profile that owns or manages the business you're working with. Otherwise, you might not see the right pages. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of that menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your business level options live, including permissions, accounts, and connected assets. When the settings section opens, keep your eyes on that same left-hand column. Under a heading called Accounts, you'll see several options, and one of them will be Pages. Click on Pages. This is the area where all Facebook pages connected to your business suite are listed. You should now see a list of the pages that belong to or are associated with this business. Take a moment here to carefully identify the page you actually want to remove. This is important because removing the wrong page can create access issues later. You can click on each page in the list to confirm details like the name and profile picture, so you're absolutely sure. Once you've selected the correct page, look for the option that says Remove. This may appear as a button or a link near the page details. Click Remove. Meta may show you a confirmation message explaining what it means to remove the page from Business Suite. Typically, this removes the page from this business account, but doesn't delete the page from Facebook entirely. Read the confirmation message, and if everything looks right, confirm your choice. After a moment, the page should disappear from your list of pages in Business Suite. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page, and that's it. You've successfully removed a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite.